Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. This is grade 2 sciences. Today we are going to start with the third lesson of this week. Hopefully students you are doing well and enjoying your holidays. We have already started a topic of living things. So we will continue that topic. Before I start, people keep your stationery items and your skill book with you so that you may do your homework and submit it timely to me. Today is our double lesson, so this is, I hope, second and third lesson today. So be prepared that after doing your work you will submit it timely, and then once you are done with it, try to learn it according to your daily routine so that you may prepare yourself for exams as well. So keep on learning, revising, and then keep on studying at home through Google classes until unless they are conducted. Now we are coming to our topic. We have studied about the living things, that the living things show some characters which make them different from non-living things. We studied that living things, they have senses, they take nutrition, they move, they grow, they just reproduce, and so many other things. While the non-living things, they can't move, they don't grow, they don't have senses, and they cannot be displaced until unless someone else displaces them. Similarly, they don't reproduce and they don't make the waste products as well. So living things have certain characters which make them unique as compared to non-living things. We studied that living things, they reproduce, sometimes they lay eggs and animals come out of it, their babies. Sometimes they give birth to their babies. This is how animal grow, become adult, and then it can again become a parent of another same kind of animal. This is called reproduction. Moreover, animals take the food, same as with the human being, and they grow in the height and the weight. I also told you that the plants show some kind of movement, but its movement is just like towards the upward direction or towards the sunlight somewise. They need water, they need nutrition through soil, and then they reproduce by making seeds, and this is how the plant can restart its life. So seed is the beginning of new plant's life. That is why we can say seed is the new plant's beginning. Now let's start with our lesson today. Today we will do our work in the skill book. This is your skill book. Open your skill book. Open page number 40 of your skill book. So students, this chapter is related with the movement and reproduction, and this will tell you how the animals move, how they reproduce, and how they make copies of themselves. After this, you will understand better why the living things are different from all the non-living things around. Now before I start, page number 40 of your skill book, you people write down date and classwork and your name as well. So student, this is your page number 40, and here are some animals. Now you have to describe that how these animals move. Whether, for example, this bear is a big animal. It can walk, it can run, it can swim. Secondly, here is the eagle. Eagle can fly. Fish, it can swim in water. Snake, it can slide. I'm sorry, due to sore throat, I can't speak louder. And similarly, snail, it is also sliding along the ground or soil. Then bat, fly. Crocodile, it can swim and walk both. Frog, it can hop and swim. Butterfly, it fly in the gardens or the air around. Now coming to the next page, number 41. This is a page where you have to match the animal with their babies. So first bird is baby bird. You will join it with your adult bird. Then becomes a tadpole. You will join it with the frog. Then baby turtle with adult turtle. Caterpillar with butterfly. Baby bear cub with the adult cub. Chick with hen. And dragonfly nymph with adult dragonfly. So students, you can also color these pictures and so that they become attractive. You all might have seen these all animals and you all might have seen their babies as well. So this is very easy for you to understand how the babies resemble with their adult as well. They can be of the same you can say features. For example, the baby bear is very much familiar with the bear, and in the same way the baby turtle, it is also very much familiar with the adult turtle. But anyhow, some are not very much familiar. For example, tadpole is not very much familiar or similar as that of frog, and caterpillar is not that similar to the butterfly. Similarly, the nymph is very much different initially with from the dragonfly, and chicks, they are very small as compared to their big birds. So sometimes they are similar, but sometimes they are little bit different. But once they grow adult, they can get the same kind of shape and size. Now look at this page. This is page number 42. Write down the date before you start and your name. I will change the date over here. Today is 14. So you can also write down the date along with your name and classwork. So this is a cross match of columns. How you will proceed? Here are two columns. Decide whether each of these is the movement, growth, reproduction, nutrition. Now first one is done with. The plant make the seed means they are reproducing. They are making their copies. And seed is the beginning of new plant's life. Then child getting taller mean it is growing. Shark eating fish mean it is its nutrition. Monkey swinging in tree, movement. Tree with flower is reproduction. Bat eating insect, again it is nutrition. Bush getting bigger, it is growth. So students, this was very interesting activity today, and you will join the columns with each other with the help of pencil and scale only. Don't do it with hand only. Just use a scale, draw a very fine line, and you have to color the pictures as well. So after doing your work, submit it timely in the Google Classroom. Inshallah, we will see each other very soon. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.